Hello. Look at that. No goods. Wonder how that happened. Let's go get a different angle. I got a different view. Well, at least he's okay. Nothing too bad. Just smashed the box there. Kind of going the wrong way, but whatever. At least show people what happened. They're all like, oh, this guy's filming, eh? Oh, well, just checking it out. Not doing anything bad. Yep. Yeah.
How'd that happen?
I know, right?
That sucks.
Maybe
Why
no.
wouldn't you just back out and fucking leave?
Yeah.
I mean,
Maybe
you didn't damage any of the building, I don't think.
accelerated a panic attack. Maybe I don't know.
Could have been some kind of a medical emergency, yeah.
Yeah.
But she stayed. I mean, if that was me, I'd be fucking pissed. But I would have took off.
Well, they're older, so anything could happen, I guess.
It's got to be her, the one who's standing in front of the car.
Maybe she grabbed the steering wheel and swerved him into the building. That's possible.
Tried to avoid a car, maybe too.
Yeah.
The other guy took off on her.
Well, at least it's not too bad. Nobody got injured. So. Yeah. Nobody's hurt anyone. I mean, everybody. But they're definitely on film now, though. Alrighty, well, let's move on. There's a scary yawn around them. Scary yonder.